Just 5 easy English phrases you could, start using pretty much straight away.
Yeah, these are the kinds of things that really grease the wheels in everyday chat. We've pulled these from our sources specifically to help boost your conversational skills quickly.
Exactly. Think of it like a shortcut to sounding a bit more natural. So the phrases are, what's up? I'm on it. No worries. Sounds good. And I'm just kidding.
Right. Simple stuff, but really effective. So first up, what's up? You hear this one constantly.
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
Our sources basically say it's a super casual hello or how are you?
Right.
Like you'd say, hey, what's up?
Yeah.
To a friend you bump into.
Totally. It's very informal, though. You probably wouldn't greet your boss that way on Monday morning.
Definitely not. Good point.
Okay.
So that's the greeting. What about when someone asks you to do something?
Ah, okay. So a great response there, very active, is I'm on it.
I'm on it. Yes. This just means, okay, I'll do it right now.
Mm-hmm.
So if someone's like, can you clean the room?
You could just say, I'm on it. Yeah.
And it gives that feeling of, immediate action. You're not putting it off.
Exactly. It shows willingness, like you're already moving to do it. Super useful. Okay, next one offers a bit of comfort. No worries.
No worries.
Yeah.
Love this one. Our sources frame it as basically meaning it's okay or don't worry about it.
Right.
So classic example. Someone bumps into you or they're late. They say, oh, sorry, I'm late.
You just go, no worries. No. It's really common, very reassuring. Shows you understand.
Puts people at ease. Very friendly.
Right.
Okay, what about making plans? Agreeing on things.
Okay, yeah. For agreement, especially for plans or suggestions, sounds good. Is your friend.
Sounds good. Yep. Pretty straightforward. It just means okay, or maybe that's a good idea.
Mm-hmm. So let's meet at 5.
Sounds good. Easy. It's positive. Shows you're on board.
Exactly. Confirms agreement. Nice and simple. Okay, last one. This one involves humor. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Meaning, obviously, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Like in the example, you failed the test and you pause. Just kidding. But you have to be a bit careful here, don't you?
Oh, absolutely. That's a key point from the sources. Humor is, culturally sensitive, context dependent.
Right.
You need to be pretty sure the other person will get that it's a joke and that it's, appropriate. Tone of voice helps a lot, of course.
Crucial. Okay, so let's quickly recap. We had what's up, your casual hello.
I'm on it for taking immediate action.
No worries. For reassuring someone.
Sounds good. Easy agreement for plans.
And I'm just kidding. Signaling you're joking, but use with care.
5 phrases. Seems small, but it's amazing how much these little things can change the feel of a conversation, make it smoother, make you sound more natural.
Totally. So for everyone listening, the challenge is to maybe try slipping 1 or 2 of these into your English conversations this week. See how it feels. Yeah, give it a go. And it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? If just these 5 simple phrases can make such a difference in feeling confident and natural, what other small, seemingly basic phrases might be out there that could, unlock even more fluency or comfort when speaking English? Something to mull over.